The AI arms race has entered a completely new phase. And if you're only watching Silicon Valley, you're missing the massive moves happening across the Pacific. We are no longer just talking about chatbots and benchmarks. The East is aggressively pushing AI into the physical world and scaling enterprise infrastructure at a breakneck pace. From deploying heavy-duty state-backed robotics to taking multi-agent AI systems public on the stock market, Chinese tech giants are locking down the future of applied artificial intelligence. In today's deep dive, we are breaking down the absolute explosion of Chinese AI progress that happened in late February and early March 2026. We're talking about a historic 2.5 billion RMB state-backed investment pouring into a single humanoid robotics company. We'll look at Huawei's massive new hardware play designed to run trillion-parameter models on a global scale. And we'll break down how the world's first fully open-source, heavy-duty robot is aiming to rewrite the global standards of physical AI. Welcome to the China AI Update, your premier source for cutting-edge intelligence on the Eastern tech frontier. If you want to stay ahead of the global AI curve, hit that subscribe button right now. Let's get into the data. Let's kick things off with a massive development on the hardware front. At MWC Barcelona 2026, Huawei just made a massive power play by debuting its latest SuperPoD product line to the global market, directly addressing the massive compute requirements of trillion-parameter AI models. The old playbook of just linking together more standard servers, what the industry calls horizontal scaling, is completely breaking down under the weight of these massive models. You end up with bottlenecked hardware, wasted compute, and constant system crashes during training. To solve this critical bottleneck, Huawei engineered a radical new solution, their proprietary Unified Bus Interconnect. Their flagship, the Atlas 950 SuperPoD, connects up to 8,192 NPUs via Unified Bus, delivering ultra-high bandwidth, ultra-low latency, and unified memory addressing. It essentially operates as a single logical computer. They also exhibited the Taishan 950 SuperPoD, the industry's very first general-purpose computing SuperPoD. This is Huawei building a resilient computing foundation and creating a new option worldwide. Speaking of physical hardware, the realm of embodied AI and smart robotics in China just took a massive leap forward. Galbot, an embodied intelligence company, just completed a staggering 2.5 billion RMB funding round. This isn't just another funding round. The investor list is a who's who of Chinese industry heavyweights, including China's National AI Industry Investment Fund, Big Fund 3, Sinopec, CITIC Investment Holdings, Bank of China, and SAIC Financial Holding. Most importantly, this marks the first time the powerful National Big Fund has poured capital into the embodied intelligence space, executing this massive move through the National AI Industry Investment Fund. Furthermore, Galbot is the only humanoid robotics company that battery giant CATL has chosen to invest in. The sheer volume of state-backed and industrial capital flooding into this specific company signals a massive coordinated push to make embodied AI a pillar of China's future industrial strategy. While physical robots are securing massive funding, the software side of AI is also seeing a shift towards real-world applications. The capital narrative is shifting from pure model capabilities to actual scene implementation. Enter Tec-Do, an AI marketing company that just officially filed for an IPO on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange. If successful, this will be the Hong Kong market's first public pricing of multi-agent commercialization. Unlike general large model companies, Tec-Do is focusing on a vertical application path, embedding AI directly into marketing to shorten decision cycles and drive business results. Their core products include a self-developed multimodal large model and the Navos marketing multi-agent system. Their AI marketing solutions are paying off, consistently contributing about 90% of the company's revenue. The company's R&D expenses grew by 137.8% year over year in the first 9 months of 2025, showing they are doubling down on AI. The market is watching closely to see how investors value this multi-agent, application-first approach. This focus on practical application is echoing across the entire industry. Ant Digital Technologies is aggressively expanding its AI services globally, recently launching an operations hub in Malaysia for its flagship AI product, Zolos. Zolos provides AI digital security verification solutions and already serves clients in over 30 countries. But Ant Digital is also heavily targeting the enterprise AI market. They are launching the Bailing Large Model Enterprise Edition and have set up a dedicated Large Model Technology Innovation Department to push Bailing into B2B scenarios. This enterprise version will focus heavily on suppressing hallucinations, following instructions, agentic engineering, and security compliance. Ant Digital's enterprise-level intelligence solutions are already used by 100% of state-owned joint stock banks in China. The enterprise AI market is exploding globally, and Chinese companies are moving fast to capture market share. We are also seeing a massive revolution in how software itself is built. AI programming is gaining serious momentum, with giants like Huawei and Alibaba doubling down. Huawei Cloud just released the public beta of CodeArts, an AI coding agent based on a 100 billion level codebase. It integrates a code large model, an IDE, and autonomous development modes. It covers everything from code generation to unit test case generation, and supports various environments like VS Code and JetBrains. It even integrates open source models like GLM 5.0 and DeepSeek Vi 3.2, alongside Huawei's own models. Industry experts are predicting that within 2 to 3 years, everyone will have developer capabilities, allowing users to instantly develop mini programs or apps. The focus for professional developers will shift towards defining client needs and boundaries, letting the AI handle the actual coding. Returning to the physical world, Chinese robotics companies are not just staying domestic, they are making aggressive global moves. AGIBOT, which analysts say ranked #1 globally in humanoid robot shipments in 2025, just unveiled its full robot portfolio in Munich, Germany. This launch is backed by a strategic partnership with Minth Group, a global leader in automotive parts manufacturing. The two companies aim to accelerate the localization and scalable deployment of robots across Europe. AGIBOT showcased their A2 series full-sized humanoids, the compact X2 series, the industrial-grade G2 series, and the D1 series quadruped robots. During the event, multiple robots collaboratively executed tasks in real time, demonstrating precise manipulation and adaptive motion control. AGIBOT is positioning itself to bring significant productivity gains to German enterprises. While AGIBOT expands commercially, the Chengdu Humanoid Robot Innovation Center is taking a radically different approach. They just launched the world's first fully open-source platform for a full-size, heavy-duty, dual-wheel leg robot. This is a massive move. They have released everything for their RW02OP robot, from the 3D structural models and hardware layouts to the underlying code. This 1.1 meter, 21 kilogram robot is designed for complex environments and can carry a 10 kilogram payload. Its wheel-leg hybrid design gives it both high-speed mobility and the ability to navigate stairs and slopes. By open-sourcing the entire stack, the center aims to lower the R&D threshold for startups, build a global developer ecosystem, and potentially establish industry standards. The files are available right now for any developer worldwide. Finally, AI is increasingly integrating into consumer hardware. Alibaba's first AI hardware product, the Qwen AI Glasses, has officially launched with a free zero-deposit reservation. The glasses will go on sale in China on March 8th and are slated for a global release later in 2026. The G1 series will be priced at an accessible 1,997 RMB after subsidies. These glasses will fully integrate with the Qwen app, and practical features like ordering takeout or booking hotels are expected to be available to users by the end of March. This represents a significant push to bring agentic AI capabilities directly to consumers in a wearable format. From massive enterprise server deployments to fully open-source robotics and accessible AI glasses, the speed of Chinese AI innovation in early 2026 is accelerating across every sector. We are watching a complete restructuring of the global tech hierarchy in real time. If you found this intelligence briefing valuable, please hit the like button to help the algorithm and subscribe to the China AI Update so you never miss a breakthrough. I'd love to hear your thoughts down below. Do you think Western models can maintain their lead against the sheer speed of implementation we are seeing from these Chinese tech giants. Drop a comment and I'll see you in the next update.